leaf is also referred as to green gold. It is an ancient asset of Indian medicine and it is used in India dates back to 400 BC. For wet cough, betel leaf juice with honey can be given to children to get rid of. According to traditional medicine, betel leaves can relieve cough. These leaves are soaked in mustard oil, warmed, and applied to the chest to ease congestion in the lungs. Betel leaf consumption is strongly advised in Ayurveda to treat constipation. Betel leaves should be crushed and left in water overnight to facilitate bowel motions. Drink the water in the morning on an empty stomach. These leaves are rich source of vitamins like vitamin C, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, carotene, and calcium. Some studies have shown that betel leaf powder may help people who have been diagnosed with 2 diabetes may be able to manage their blood sugar levels. According to Ayurveda, betel leaf is a post-meal digestive stimulant, oral deodorant, natural antiseptic, astringent, diuretic, mood elevator, aphrodisiac, and nerve tonic. It relaxes the mind, creates a feeling of well-being, and improves the vocal cords, bad breath, boils, and mouth ulcers. It is harmful to those suffering from wounds, bleeding, diseases, dryness, and redness of eyes, poisoning, emaciation, unconsciousness, and intoxication. When you chew a betel leaf, it releases certain active chemicals. These chemicals interact with other secretions. These chemicals interactions may cause serious side effects. Thank you.